Welcome to all of you in Sankalpa Education Pratham classes. I am Sachin Patil, delivered lecture series on derivative. Right now we are going with the logarithmic differentiation. When we take the logarithmic differentiation, first of all we have to think about the when we have to take the logarithmic differentiation. In that we have to get the three cases. One is when a product of three or more functions are there. Second one is when a product and quotient of three or more functions are there, and third one is when one function is an index of other function is there. What does it mean? First of all, we have to think about the consideration of when product of three or more functions. That means y is a function of f of x into g of x into h of x into and so on. Lot of functions are there. At that time we have to take the logarithmic differentiation for that type of functions is there. When a product and quotient of three or more function, that means y is equal to f of x into g of x into h of x into h of x divided by a of x into b of x, like that one. At that time we have to take the logarithmic differentiation. Next one is nothing but when one function is index of other function, that means it is a power of other function. That means y is equal to f of x is here and g of x is in a power condition, that means the index of that f of x. At that time we have to perform the logarithmic differentiation. In those three cases we have to perform the logarithmic differentiation, and this logarithmic differentiation has the process as follow. First of all, if any case from above occurs, take log on both sides. That means any case in between these three is occur, at that time we have to take the log on both sides. Then second one is by simplifying, taking the derivative with respect to x. After simplifying, we have to take the derivative with respect to x. Inside this, derivative of log y. Derivative of log y is nothing but 1 divided by y dy by dx. Most important thing is that derivative of log y with respect to x is nothing but 1 divided by y into dy by dx, which is taken on the LHS. After that, we have to completion the derivative. Y is transferred to the RHS or right hand side and put the value of y is there. How it is performed inside the example, which is taken inside the example related to that one. First of all, we have to think about the example is here. Example consists of log x into sine 3x divided by e raised to x into x square plus 3. That means it consists of four functions in the form of product and quotients of function. At the time, first of all, we have to consider this function is nothing but y is equal to log x into sine 3x divided by e raised to x into x square plus 3. Now when we take according to that consideration, where product and quotient of three or more functions is there, at that time we have to follow the logarithmic differentiation process. Inside this, we first of all we have to take the log on both sides. That means here we take log on both sides. That means we will get the consideration of log y is equal to log of log x into sine 3x divided by e raised to x into x square plus 3 is here. We know that when we take the log, and first of all we think about the consideration of log a into b. At that time we are going with the log a plus log b, and log a divided by b. At that time we are going with the log a minus log b. By using that rules related to logarithm, we have to get the consideration of that right hand side, like that one. First of all, we have to get the log of this one is nothing but here numerator and denominator is there, and according to numerator and denominator, first of all we have to get the consideration of log of numerator and denominator. That means we have to apply this law. A is nothing but a log x into sine 3x, and b is nothing but a e raised to x into x square plus 3 is here, and therefore log of inside the bracket log x into sine 3x minus, because this is numerator and this is denominator, that means a divided by b according to that rule, minus log of inside the another bracket e raised to x into x square plus 3 is here, x square plus 3 is here. Then we have to simplify again this consideration. That means these two functions are multiplied to each other, and we have to taking the log of that function. At that time you will get the addition according to that multiplication rule of logarithm, and therefore log of log x plus log of sine 3x minus, when we take the minus at that time, first of all we have to put inside the bracket log of e raised to x plus log of x square plus 3x, and complete the bracket. When we take minus sign inside the bracket, at that time we will get the log y is here, and log of log x plus log of sine 3x minus log of e raised to x minus, because minus into plus, that means minus, and you will get the log of x square plus 3 is here. After that simplification, this is the simplification is done, and after that we have to get the simplification, take the derivative with respect to x. That means here take derivative on both side with respect to x is here, with respect to x, and according to that derivative we have to take the derivative differently, because this is the addition of four functions, addition and subtraction of four functions, and therefore we take the derivative d dx of log y sorry, d dx of log y, then d dx of log x plus d dx of log of sine 3x minus d dx of log of e raised to x minus d dx of log of x square plus 3 is here, x square plus 3 is here. Now we have to derive or taking the derivative with respect to x. We know that the third step is here, derivative of log y with respect to x is nothing but 1 divided by y dy by dx, which is on the LHS, and therefore we will get the 1 divided by y into dy by dx is here. Now the derivative of this is nothing but it is a composite function, and we know that for derivative of composite function we have to perform all operations related to derivative of composite functions thoroughly in previous lectures. Right now we have to going with the derivative of this one. First of all we have to cover the log x by using your hand, and we perform the derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is nothing but 1 divided by x. Therefore for this log we have to get the derivative is nothing but 1 divided by log x into derivative of this log x is nothing but 1 divided by x is here, and we have to complete this derivative plus we have to complete this derivative. Now we have to take the derivative of this function same as that of composite function. We have to cover that sine 3x, and derivative of log is nothing but 1 divided by all this function is nothing but a sine 3x is here into derivative of sine x is nothing but a cos 3x into cos 3x into, again the derivative of 3x is nothing but 3, derivative of is 3, and minus derivative of this log e raised to x is nothing but 1 divided by e raised to x into derivative of e raised to x is nothing but e raised to x, minus derivative of log x square plus 3 is nothing but 1 divided by x square plus 3 into derivative of x square is nothing but 2x plus 0, because 3 having the derivative is 0. And by performing this consideration, 1 divided by x into log x into sine 3x, is here 1 divided by plus cos 3x divided by sine 3x into 3 minus e raised to x cancel to each other, and therefore 1 is here, and you will get the minus 2x divided by x square plus 3 is here, x square plus 3 is here, and therefore cos 3x divided by sine 3x nothing but a cot 3x, and therefore x into log x plus 3 into cot 3x minus 1 minus 2x divided by x square plus 3, x square plus 3, and here you will get the 1 divided by y into dy by dx. Now the derivative of this consideration is completed. We have to transfer this y to the right hand side. You will get the dy by dx is equal to y inside the bracket 1 divided by x into log x plus 3 into cot 3x minus 1 minus 2x divided by x square plus 3 is here, and putting the value of y having the value is nothing but a log x into sine 3x e raised to x into x square plus 3 is here. You will get the consideration of log x into sine 3x divided by e raised to x into x square plus 3 inside the bracket 1 divided by x into log x plus 3 into cot 3x minus 1 minus 2x divided by x square plus 3, and this is your final derivative, that means dy by dx of that function. And this is a logarithmic differentiation by using or we taking the we have to follow the derivative procedure of logarithmic differentiation. That means we have to take the derivative, taking log on both sides, we have to simplify it, then taking the derivative with respect to x, and first of all we most important nothing but a log y having the derivative 1 divided by y into dy by dx, and putting the values of and putting taking the derivatives of those functions, and y is transferred from left hand side to right hand side, and putting the value of y is nothing but our function, main function is here, you will get the derivative of that function. This is the logarithmic differentiation related to that one. If you like that video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon to get the next notification related to